Hello, welcome guys. How gonna to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, this is very simple. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. So guys, video is start. So guys, this Wi-Fi is available. So guys, this connect. So guys, this disconnect. So guys, connect automatically. So click on. So guys, this connect. So guys, this who is setting? Search for setting. So guys, settings is available. Click on setting. So guys, is network internet. So guys, click on network internet. So guys, is Wi-Fi. So guys, this show. So guys, this is Realme 6. Connect this disconnect. So guys, it's very simple method. So guys, it's very simple. How to fix Wi-Fi connection on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, it's very simple method. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for latest update. Please thank you for watching my video.